Welcome to Computer Hacking 101, where we make your computer work for you. I'm Chris. Today we will show you the differences between Dropbox and other online syncing systems versus Syncthing. Now let's look into how Dropbox works. Dropbox, Google Drive, and all other online syncing services work the same way. Just save your file in a subfolder, then it will transfer up to the server where it will be saved. Then the file gets sent to your computer or other online device. Now we know how Dropbox works. Let's look into how Syncthing works. Syncthing only relies on its servers to tell your computer how to connect. They will not see your data at all. When you save a file on your computer, it will transfer it directly to the computer without saving it onto somebody else's hard drive. The only time it will not transfer directly is if both of your computers are behind a different NAT router, like your home and your workplace. They will have to go through a relay. So which one should you choose? They both will encrypt your data in transit. Dropbox will encrypt your files on the server. They also have the key to encrypt them. Syncthing doesn't even see your data at all. Dropbox will store your files on its server, so if your computer is offline, when the other computer comes back online, it will send the file to the online computer. Syncthing cannot do this because it never stores your data. Dropbox has a limit on how much you can store for free. After you hit the limit, you have to pay for more storage space. With Syncthing, you can store as much space you have on your hard drives. Dropbox can only store your files in its directory. Syncthing, you can share any files on your computer have access to. They both have version controls, but Dropbox is 30 days if you are on their free plan. Syncthing can store how many versions you want as long as you have space. I have been using Dropbox for years, but this past year I switched to Syncthing because it allows me to transfer files quickly, easily, and securely. Currently I transfer around 60 gigabytes of data around my network at home. Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked the video.